The devotees like Sri Rupa and Sri Sanatan Goswamis, Raghunath Das, Raghunath Bhatta, Raghava Pandit, Krishnadas Kaviraj, Lokanath Goswami are your life. And your soul is Radha Raman Ji. See the point? His life, the very life, his life, his prana is the Vaishnavas. Sadhu Sangha is his life. Vaishnav Seva is his pran. Vaishnav Seva, mere pran hai. Or whatever. Vaishnav Seva is my pran, it is my life. That was his life. And what was his Atma? His pran was Vaishnavas. His Atma was Radharaman. So when we make that our life, then we will become real Vaishnava. The service of the Vaishnavas is our very life. The association with the Vaishnavas is our very life. And our very soul is our Ishtadev, Radhaparthasarthi. Then we become Vaishnava. With your body full of love, you offer obeisances to Lord Chaitanya, and like a honeybee, you are attached to his sweet lotus feet. You kindly gave shelter to Srinivasacharya. He initiated Srinivasacharya, who wrote the Six Goswamis song, and so many other things. He's a great songwriter and poet. Your only engagement is associating with pure devotees, relishing ras, and tasting the divine madness of Gopi Bhav. The pastimes of Radharaman flow through your mind like the celestial Ganges. The pastimes of Radharaman flow through your mind like the celestial Ganges. When will that day come? When the pastimes of Radha and Krishna flow through our minds like the celestial Ganges. We cannot even speak about what's flowing through our minds right now. But our minds should be like that. The sweet, wonderful nectarine pastimes of Radha Krishna, Radharaman should flow through our minds like the celestial Ganges, the Suraduni.